is. And I'll get emotional like Bernie did as well. A real pleasure and an honor to be here to share this with you and your family today. For those of you that don't know, Mary Kay and I started in the district attorney's office about 29 years ago, 6 months apart. I was first. We became fast friends. We got married around the same time as each other. We started having our families around the same time as each other. We worked really closely for about a decade on the Special Victims Unit before I became a judge. And you're somebody that I've always had a lot of respect for. I couldn't be happier as you get on the bench. And unsurprisingly, somewhat unlike Bernie or Robert, there's a couple of things that I think are going to behoove you greatly about becoming a judge. And it isn't about the work you did as a prosecutor, even though that was enormously important and impressive. But throughout my 29 years of knowing you, you have always proceeded without any sense of ego about who you are or what you do. It has always been with a kind of humility that I think is going to befit you as a judge. Just like Robert said, you never saw any accolades or anything. It was just you wanted to keep your same office so you didn't have to move, right? And keep doing what you were doing. Additionally, you never once feared or favored any attorney that you ever dealt with in any situation. It was always the individual and the case and what's the best thing to do. You never gave favoritism to anybody. You never prejudiced anybody because of who they were or who their attorney was. And that's a really important quality to have on the bench as well. And finally, we've had a lot of conversations in our life, right? Particularly when we were attorneys. Every day, multiple times a day when we were attorneys. In fact, I applied to be a judge to get some alone time. But whether it was the conversations about cases or talking to me before you decided to run, or even the conversations we've had this week since you started hearing cases, you never came to me for affirmation. It was always information. It was never, this is what I want to do, make me feel good about it. It was, give me information so I can make the best decision. And that's what we do every day as judges. All we can do is get information, be prepared, and do our best to make the best decision. Our colleagues will tell us when we've made a mistake, which is the way it should be. But you've always had that simple philosophy. Let me do what's the best thing in the individual case for any individual person. And I know you're going to be a great judge. So you ready? All right. Raise your right hand, please. Oh. Who's holding the Bible? All right. Repeat after me. I, state your name.
I, Mary Kay Holthus,
do solemnly swear that I will support, protect, and defend the Constitution and government of the United States and the Constitution and government of the state of Nevada against all enemies, whether domestic or foreign, and that I will bear true faith, allegiance, and loyalty to the same. Any ordinance, resolution, or law of any state notwithstanding. And that I will well and faithfully perform all the duties of the office of District Judge, Department 18, 8th Judicial District Court for the state of Nevada, which I am about to enter.